The true cost of a broken system. The debate surrounding immigration often centers on abstract principles or individual anecdotes. But the reality is that our dysfunctional immigration system imposes concrete, measurable costs on American society. These costs are not just economic, but also social, cultural, and institutional. In this chapter, we'll examine the multifaceted impact of our broken immigration system on the United States. Economic impacts. The economic effects of illegal immigration and an inefficient legal immigration system are complex and far-reaching. On the federal level, the fiscal burden is substantial. A 2017 study by the National Academies of Sciences, Engineering, and Medicine found that first-generation immigrants cost the government approximately $1,600 per person annually. However, it's important to note that second- and third-generation immigrants are among the strongest economic contributors to the nation. At the state and local levels, the costs are even higher. Education, emergency health care, and law enforcement bear the brunt of these expenses. In states like California and Texas, which have large populations of undocumented immigrants, these costs run into billions of dollars annually. For example, the Federation for American Immigration Reform estimates that illegal immigration costs California taxpayers over $23 billion per year. The labor market effects are equally significant. While some sectors of the economy benefit from the availability of low-wage labor, this comes at a cost to American workers, particularly those at the lower end of the skill and wage spectrum. Harvard economist George Borjas has estimated that immigration reduces the wages of native-born workers by 3 to 4% on average, with the impact being most severe for those without a high school diploma. However, it would be remiss not to acknowledge the economic contributions of immigrants. They pay billions in taxes, contribute to Social Security, often without the ability to collect benefits, and play a vital role in certain sectors of the economy. Immigrants are also more likely to start businesses, with about 28% of all new American companies in 2011 being founded by immigrants.